Okay, Master Lock 410 lockout tagout. See if we can get this thing open. I like top of the keyway. Pretty steep hook. Medium tension. Okay. It is 6 pins, and I believe they're pinned the same, where pin 5 is usually a serrated, if I remember. I think pin 5 is normally serrated, and then the other 5 pins are spools, 6 pins total, and it is key retaining. Good locks, fun locks. There's a lot of play, very loose core. I don't know if you can see that. I love spool pins. This one, with it being a dead core, you have to, there's no shackle pop, there's no spring loaded, it's a dead core. So with the spool pins, you don't get as good excuse me, you don't get as good of counter rotation as you would with like an Abus 7240 or even an American 1100, but it's full of spools. I have a couple of these, and I believe they're all pinned the same, but the lock is non-guttable without destroying it. So I haven't gutted one yet, but fun locks, good practice locks, green belt level lock, and that's about it. Thank you for watching.